All of us would have had a new PC or laptop. After a few months, there will be some problems with the PC or Windows. Then hatred will come over it. So, let's look at 5 common problems in Windows 10 and their solutions. First, access safe mode. This is important for everyone today. What does this safe mode do? First, safe mode is a great way to boot your system when you have any problems with your system. Second, if your computer has a virus app or a bugged app, the system will not work properly. Safe mode is mainly used to remove bugged apps or virus apps. Third, safe mode will determine the reason why your system is not working suitably. Let me tell you simply, safe mode is used to troubleshoot the system. Okay, how to turn on this safe mode on your computer? There are 3 ways to do this, but we will look at the easiest way. Let's see it. While inside Windows 10, go to the power option from the start menu. Here hold the shift key and click on restart. This will restart the PC and Windows recovery environment will open up. Here go to troubleshoot. Advanced options. Startup settings. Restart. Your PC will restart, then click F4 to enable safe mode. There are many videos on YouTube on how to disable safe mode and how to use safe mode, so see it and find out. Second, turn off forced updates. If you turn on the internet for any need, your data will be lost. Because every update on your system will be updated automatically. These automatic updates allow devices to receive security updates to patch vulnerabilities, improve performance, and bring enhanced elements without user interaction. It is good for all, but this will require a lot of data. If you need these upgrades for your computer, you can do it manually. There are a lot of videos related to that on YouTube. See if needed. Okay, how to do this? Let's see. What I am going to tell you is one important method, but many methods have to turn off automatic updates. Okay, tap the search box and search Edit Group Policy. Double click on it. Computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows update. Double-click the Configure Automatic Updates policy on the right side. Check the disabled option to turn off automatic updates permanently. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Another work you need to change. Go to the settings. Click Update and Security. Windows Update. Click Advanced option. Under the Pause Updates section, use the drop-down menu and select how long to disable updates. Once you complete the steps, updates will no longer download until the day you specified. Third, enable System Restore. Do you know what the main benefit of the System Restore is? This feature allows you to restore your computer to a specific point in time. System Restore is used to return important Windows files and settings, like drivers, registry keys, installed programs, and system files, back to their previous version. Okay, how to do it? Go to the search box and search Create a Restore Point. Click on it. System Protection page. Under the Protection Settings section, select the main system drive. Click the Configure button. Tap Turn on System Protection button. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Fourth, disable background apps. By default, so many apps are running in the background in Windows 10. For example, Microsoft Apps. It will run in the background even if you don't use that app. If your PC has a lot of files or applications, your Windows may be slow or lagging due to these background apps. Disabling them is a great way to get a boost in system performance. How to do it? Open Settings. Click on Privacy. Background Apps. Under the Choose which apps can run in the background section, turn off the toggle button for the apps you want to restrict. But I turn off all background apps. Fifth, you don't have much storage. Sometimes you don't even have storage to get important files. Then, what to delete is confusion. Deleting junk files is a great way to get rid of that mess. Yes, there is a lot of junk files on the system. There are some ways to delete it, I tell you that. First, press the Windows key +R to open Run, or right-click the Start button and then the Run button. Type %temp% and click OK. In the temporary folder, press Ctrl and A to select all the files and hit the Delete key. Click Skip for any file that appears to be in use. After deleting that, open Run again. Type temp. Click OK. Select one, and press Ctrl and A to select all. And hit the Delete button. I do this regularly, so no temporary files in my system. Open Run again. Type prefetch, click OK. Select one, and press Ctrl+A to select all, and hit the Delete button to delete all. Go to the search box, and search Delete temporary cookies or temporary files, click on it. General page, under the Delete button, click on it. Click the Delete button again. In the Windows search bar, type Disk Cleanup and hit Enter to launch the utility. Choose the main drive and click OK. Check the box to select the file type you want to clean up. I tick everything other than the downloads, because it contains some important files. The OK button is at the bottom, click on it. Open the Disk Cleanup again. Choose the other drive and click OK. Tap the Recycle Bin box to select. OK button is at the bottom. Click on it. All 5 Windows 10 problems and solutions are finished. Was this video useful to you? Please comment. If you liked this tutorial video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.